When Mercedes finally revealed the first complete redesign of the G-Wagen since it was originally introduced back in 1979, it only showed off the entry-level G550.
As impressive as it was off-road, and as luxurious as the new interior looked, we knew it was only a matter of time before the AMG version showed up to hog the attention.
And, well, here it is, ready to do exactly that.
There's no mistaking the G-Class for anything else, but to make sure the G63 stands out, AMG gave it a new grille, widened the fenders, added a 2-mode sports exhaust, made running boards standard, and switched to red brake calipers. Optional 22-inch wheels are also available.
Inside, the G63's most notable AMG-specific feature is its flat-bottomed steering wheel.
As with any AMG, though, the biggest news is under the hood.
The G63 now makes 577 horsepower and 627 pounds-to-foot of torque from a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, beating the G550 by 161 horsepower and 177 pounds-to-foot of torque.
Mercedes says that with the help of the new 9-speed AMG transmission, the new G63 can hit 60 miles per hour in an estimated 4.4 seconds and has a top speed of 149 miles per hour with the AMG driver's package.
Compared to the outgoing 5.5-liter model with its 7-speed auto, the new G63 gets an extra 14 horsepower and 66 pounds-to-foot of torque, enough to cut almost a second off its 0 to 60 time.
We don't expect many owners to off-road their G63s, but like the 2018 model, the 2019 comes with 4-wheel drive and 3 locking differentials as standard.
Instead of distributing torque evenly, though, the new version is rear-biased and defaults to a sportier 40-60 split.
Low range could also be engaged at speeds of up to 25 miles per hour and disengaged at speeds of up to 44 miles per hour.
The biggest difference between the current G63 and